From the depths of imagination to the skyline of reality, the Skyscraper Megacity build has finally begun. A sneak peek into Saudi Arabia's $500 billion megaproject. Saudi Arabia's futuristic city, Neom, has been in the works for a while now, and recent satellite images have released the progress of this massive $500 billion project. Neom is part of Saudi Vision 2030, which seeks to diversify Saudi Arabia's economy and reduce its dependence on oil. The city's first phase is expected to cost $320 billion, half of which will come from the kingdom's sovereign wealth fund. Step into the world of futuristic architecture as we take you on a tour of the Skyscraper Megacity build in progress. Saudi Arabia's $500 billion Neom project is underway, with the city's first phase set to cost $320 billion. The project aims to diversify Saudi Arabia's economy and reduce its dependence on oil by becoming the world's business and industrial center. Neom is owned by Saudi Arabia's sovereign wealth fund, and the city's centerpiece is the Line, a 100-mile-long, 500-meter-high mirrored megacity that will house 9 million people. The Line comprises two glass-reflective buildings running parallel for 170 kilometers across the coastal mountain and desert terrain. The buildings will be connected via walkways, and a high-speed train will run beneath them. Newly released satellite images reveal the progress on the construction of the Neom project, with the construction of the Line well underway. The video shows significant progress on the groundworks of the megacity. The construction process of the Line started in the first quarter of 2022, with over 24 bulldozers dredging a long line across the desert. The futuristic city will not be directly built by Saudi Arabia, but instead they will use local and international contractors to build it. Neom is part of the framework called Saudi Vision 2030, which aims to diversify Saudi Arabia's economy and reduce its dependence on oil. The project will be financed by the kingdom's sovereign wealth fund, and half of the city's first phase's cost will come from this fund. Neom is expected to become the industrial and business center of the world, and will house different regions including Sindala, Trojena, and Octagon. The 3-minute progress film shows footage of construction taking place across various regions as part of the project. The project has entered the first phase of development, and preparation work is underway to develop the infrastructure for its different regions. The striking aerial views captured progress on the 100-mile-long linear city, including the setup of offices and campsites for the engineering team and workers. Giles Pendleton, Neom's executive director, said that Saudi Arabia would not directly build the futuristic city. Instead, they will use a lot of artificial intelligence to design the Lion at Neom. Neom is set to become the most advanced and technologically integrated city in the world, with a strong emphasis on sustainability, with its designers stating that it will be powered entirely by renewable energy. The Line is designed to be a zero-carbon city, with energy produced by wind and solar farms, and water supplied by a carbon-free desalination plant. The construction of excavators digging trenches along the desert, which will form the foundation of the Line, has already begun, and infrastructure is being built around the entire project. While the project's construction has finally started, people are still curious about how it will turn out. The futuristic city of Neom is the brainchild of Saudi Crown Prince and de facto ruler Mohammed bin Salman. The megaproject is set to house 9 million people, who will be able to travel end-to-end in just 20 minutes. The two glass-reflective buildings that comprise the Line will be connected via walkways, and a high-speed train will run underneath them. Saudi Arabia's Neom project is underway, and the progress made so far is impressive. The megaproject aims to diversify Saudi Arabia's economy and reduce its dependence on oil by becoming the world's business and industrial center. With the use of local and international contractors, the city of the future will become a reality. The project has the potential to become the world's greatest megaproject ever, or a $1 trillion construction mistake that will eventually be abandoned. Nevertheless, the Line is an ambitious project that could potentially revolutionize the way cities are designed and built, and the world will be watching closely to see what happens next.